Talofa o, it is the final day of the conference. It's day 6. And I had the best sleep in here. So last night, I haven't posted up the lid for my container, just fell at the back. So yesterday I presented. I didn't get to show footage of that. Maybe I think somebody recorded it, so I'll post it up later on.
So very happy to be here. I am Courtney Salvali Andrews. Samoan, two-blooded Samoan African American from the villages of Amanati.
What have you been doing? You're bright.
Oh, am I? Oh,
another one?
Oh, how's this stuff?
A really good bepa by Savali, and it was great to see some of the Vic Uni Islanders or staff members and students that came to it, so very happy. It is now afternoon tea time, so I need to eat as much as I can.
Say goodbye to you properly. I'm so sorry, I was just rushing off. Hi friend.
For my real. So you're on. So lunch is asparagus and corn quiche and lamb pie. I can hear the islanders laughing, so I'm going to go gravitate to where they are, as you do. Say hi for my reel. This is one of the organizers of the conference. Yes? Yeah, there you go. Oh, bye! Gonna have it rushed, you know, in the 20 minutes. Right. Thank you.